Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is on Kenjutsu One Step number 1. We'll be doing this with a partner. We'll start off just having a look at this out in the air. We're beginning from Chudan no Kamae, the middle guard position. The attack is going to be an overhead cut. I'm moving forward, shuffle step forward, and cut straight down and through like that. Move forward, bring it up, down and through. Be careful with the back swing on this. I don't want to bring this all the way back behind me. It's right up here, about to where we would be in Jodan no Kamae, and down and through. Now, looked at from the side, this is going to be our attack. And shuffle step forward, the sword comes up, cuts down and through. Up, and then down and through. Once more. Up, down and through. Now, our defense here. As my partner attacks, I'm taking my left foot, stepping off to the left, bringing my sword up. I'm doing uke nagash, the wave block. Then my right foot slides back, and I'm cutting straight down toward my partner's wrist. So again, as the attack comes in, I'm stepping off to the side, bringing the sword up, and I'm turning it so the cutting edge is facing back behind me. So I'm going to take that attack on the flat of my sword blade, and it simply slides down. My right foot slides back, I'm pivoting, and again I'm cutting down toward my partner's wrist. Sidestep and block, pivot, and cut down. Now, looked at from the side, take it this way. Sidestep and block, and the sword is passing down over my right shoulder. I want to be sure I'm not letting it roll back behind me this way. My right foot slides back, cutting down to the wrist. Once more. Sidestep, block, cut down. Now, let's have a look at that with a partner. Just a moment, if I can have your assistance with this. Now, we're going to work from Chudan no Kamae here with the tips of our swords just crossed. This is a real good distance for these. Attack. I'm directing that cut right toward my partner's front wrist. Now, I want to be careful that I'm not actually touching their wrist. Attack. Attack. I'm pulling up just a little bit short. Now, the reason for this is, yes, the wooden sword does not have a cutting edge. It's a big, heavy stick. If I hit my partner on the wrist with this, that can do real harm. So we switch places. So be careful at the end. You want to be targeting that wrist, but don't actually touch it. Attack. 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 I think it's just a count. All right, and that is Kenjutsu One Step number 1. Start slowly with this, and then gradually build up your speed as you become comfortable with it. But try to keep everything very controlled, moving very fluidly as you go through the one step. Thank you for joining.